Our story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, keyless ignition, rear-view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3. With these ratings, come test drive the 2017 Mirage. The Mirage from Mitsubishi Motors is classified as a subcompact car. The Mirage is a car you want for easy parking, decent cargo space, and surprising mileage, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.